Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over the bow. Kyuneigh is the word for this in Korean. We'll usually use the Korean word for this in our lessons together. Now, the bow is the way that we show courtesy and respect for each other, for our instructors, for our school, and for the art of karate itself. So that while it's a very small movement, it's a very important one. There is an old saying that karate begins and ends with courtesy and respect. Now, to bow, we're going to bring our feet together, hands down by our side. We're standing up nice and straight and strong. This is the attention stance. In Korean, this is called Sharyut. To bow, I'm going to come forward from my hips like this to about 45 degrees and then right back up straight. It's a fairly slow movement. I'm not snapping through it quickly like that. We're showing courtesy and respect for each other. Take the time to do it properly. Here, and then right back up to here. I want to keep my back and neck straight while I do this, and my hands down at my sides. Let's have a look at this from the side. Again, from here, we're coming forward about 45 degrees, right back up straight. Again, I don't want to slump forward into this and turn it into some kind of a shrug. Here, and then right back up straight. Again, the bow is the way that we show courtesy and respect. When someone bows to us, we always return their bow. Thank you very much for joining me. And this tutorial has been over Kyuneigh, the bow.